Hello everyone. Today's topic is Pravasa Hogana. So this chapter is in Sevi Kannada textbook class 4. So here in this video I have explained all the question and answer of Pravasa Hogana in English. So it will be easy for all of you to understand what is written in Kannada and what is the meaning of that. So let's start. Padagala Artha. Padagala means what? Artha means meaning. So the first word is photo. Bhavachitra means photo. Ayasa, badalike. In English, the meaning is tiredness. Next word, khushi, santosa. The meaning is happiness. Vyavaste, sajju. In English, the meaning is arrangement. Next word, ichhe, aase. In English, the meaning is will. Next word, alisu, kelu. The meaning is listen. So the next question is ಒಂದೊಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಬರೆಯಲಿ means ಒಂದೊಂದು means one sentence. One sentence you have to write the answer. So the first question is ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಪ್ರವಾಸ ಹೋಗಲು ಸಿದ್ಧರಾದರು means where the children were ready to go. So the answer is ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಶ್ರಾವಣ ಬೆಳಗೊಳಗೆ ಪ್ರವಾಸ ಹೋಗಲು ಸಿದ್ಧರಾದರು means the children were ready to go to Sravana Belagola. Here in this question I have marked in yellow color. The answer is in yellow color mark. So it will be easy to remember you what is the answer. So next question. Platform ಎಂದರೇನು means what is platform? ರೇಲು ಹತ್ತುವ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಲ್ಲುವ ಸ್ಥಳವನ್ನು platform ಎನ್ನುತ್ತಾರೆ. Means the place where the train boards and stop is called platform. So the next question is railway ನಿಲ್ದಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ಸಂವಾದ ನಡೆಸಿದರು means in the railway station with whom did the children have a conversation with. So what are the people name with whom the children did the conversation? So answer is ರೇಲು ನಿಲ್ದಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೆನಡಿ ರಾಜು ಮತ್ತು ಮಧು ಜೊತೆ ಸಂವಾದ ನಡೆಸಿದರು means ರಾಜು Madhu and Kennedy. These are the three persons with whom the children did the conversation. So answer is in the railway station children did conversation with Kennedy, Raju and Madhu. Next one. Relu ಯಾವ ಶಬ್ದ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಚಲಿಸುತ್ತದೆ means what sound does the train make? ರೇಲು ಚುಕುಬುಕು ಚುಕುಬುಕು ಶಬ್ದ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಚಲಿಸುತ್ತದೆ means train make the sound ಚುಕುಬುಕು ಚುಕುಬುಕು. So the next one is ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದರು means who told the following dialects to whom. So the first one is ನಿಮ್ಮದರು ಯಾವೂರು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ means you are from which place children. ಯಾರು means who told this Kennedy. ಯಾರಿಗೆ means to whom. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ means children. Next one. ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಹತ್ತುವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅನಿಸಲಿಲ್ವೇ means didn't you find it difficult while climbing the rail. Who told this ಯಾರು ಮಕ್ಕಳು. To whom ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಮಧುವಿಗೆ means Madhu. Next one. ಅದು ರೇಲು ಬಂದೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು means see the train came off. So ಯಾರು who told this Kartika. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಗೆಳೆಯರಿಗೆ means to whom friends. Next one. ಈ ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಪದಗಳಿನ ಸ್ವಂತ ವಾಕ್ಯವನ್ನು ರಚಿಸಿ means make your own sentence for the following words. So let's see what are the words. First one is pravasa. Pravasa means trip. So the sentence is ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರವಾಸ ಎಂದರೆ ಬಹಳ ಇಷ್ಟ means we like to trip a lot. Next word ಸಂಭಾಷಣೆ. So the sentence is ನನ್ನ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರ ಜೊತೆ ಸಂಭಾಷಣೆಯಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ means I chat with my friends in my class. So the next word is ಅದ್ಭುತ. ತಾಜ್ ಮಹಲ್ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಸ್ಥಳ. ಅದ್ಭುತ means wonderful. Taj Mahal is a wonderful place. Next word. ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸು. ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸು means salute or respect. ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ means we should salute or respect to the elders. Next question. ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಸ್ಥಳವನ್ನು ತುಂಬಿರಿ means fill in the blanks. The word which is written in the red color, that is the proper word we should fill in the blank. ಎಬ್ಬರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನಮ್ಮಂತೆಯೇ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಹೊರತಿರುವವರೇ ಗುರುಗಳೇ means everyone are gurus who are going dash like us. ಪ್ರವಾಸಕ್ಕೆ means trip. Next one. ಕೊಂಬಿಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಚಲಿಸುತ್ತದೆ ರೇಲು means on the iron rod dash will move train. Next one is ಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳ ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಯ ಭಾವನೆಯು ಎದ್ದು ಕಾಣುತ್ತದೆ means on the faces of idol dash sense can visible. So the answer is santate. Santate means calmness, sainthood or peacefulness, that like that. Next one. ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪ್ರವಾಸ ಹೋಗಲು ಸಿದ್ಧರಾದರು means children get ready to go to dash for a trip. So what is the place name? ಶ್ರಾವಣ ಬೆಳಗಳು. Okay. Next one. ರೈಲು ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಶಬ್ದ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಚಲಿಸುತ್ತದೆ means train will make dash sound. The sound is ಚುಕ್ಕುಬುಕ್ಕು. Next question. ಹೊಂದಿಸಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ means match and write the proper word. So the first word is Hampi. So what is the matching word for Hampi? It is Kalina Ratha. Next one. Sravana Belagola. So the matching word is Gometeswara Vigraha. Third one. Vijayapur. So the matching word is Gol Gambuja. So next one is Bangalore. So the matching word is Vidhana Sauda. So the next question is ಮದರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಚಿಸಿರುವಂತೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನಾರ್ಥಕ ವಾಕ್ಯ ರಚಿಸಿ means in the given example as indicated convert the statement into the respective questions. So Madari means example. ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿದೆ means ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧ is at Bangalore. So what should be the question? ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧ ಯಾವ ಊರಿನಲ್ಲಿದೆ means ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧ is at which place? So let's start with the questions. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮೈಸೂರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರವಾಸ ಹೋದರು means children went to Mysore for a trip. So how to convert this into the question? ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಪ್ರವಾಸ ಹೋದರು means where did the children went for the trip. So the next question is ರೈಲುಗಳು ಕೊಂಬಿಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಚಲಿಸುತ್ತದೆ means train move on the rail. So how to convert this statement into the question? ರೈಲುಗಳು ಯಾವುದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಚಲಿಸುತ್ತದೆ means train move on which thing. Next question. ಮೇರಿ 4ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ means Mary is studying in 4th standard. So how to convert this into the question? ಮೇರಿ ಯಾವ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ means Mary is studying in which standard. So this is all about the question and answer of ಪ್ರವಾಸ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Hope you enjoyed and understood the chapter. Thank you.